So there's multiple reasons why your credit card application is denied. Maybe you have a very low credit score based off some negative accounts. Maybe you got collections, bankruptcy, public records on your credit reports, and they denied you because of that. Maybe you using too much money on your credit cards too. They'll say, "Hey, you using too much money on your credit cards." And some credit cards like Chase, they'll say, "Hey, you had too many inquiries," because they have their 524 rule. They don't want you to have more than five credit cards in the last 24 months. So those are multiple reasons why your credit card application was denied. Now, if your credit card application was denied, then they're supposed to contact you. They can email it to you. Sometimes they'll show you right then and there why they denied you, but they'll give you actual reasons. Like literally, it'll say, "Hey, when we pulled your credit reports, we got your credit reports from TransUnion, Equifax, Experian." They'll tell you, and this is the credit score that you had. Then they'll also tell you that these are the reasons why we denied you. You had too many recent accounts. You have a large number of inquiries on your credit reports. Too much recent debt. You have negative accounts or credit reports. They'll tell you exactly why you got denied. But all you have to do is look at those different reasons, fix those reasons, and then come back and try to see if you can get credit that way. But usually they'll send you something in the mail, or they'll email you, and then they'll tell you those reasons. But just fix those reasons, and then you guys can possibly get approved for that same credit card. Just because they denied you don't mean that you can't go back and apply for it. I usually tell people, probably wait, probably wait about 6 months, sometimes a year after you fix whatever the problems is, and go back and apply for it. Sometimes I tell people it's just because your credit score low. I have the 60 points in 60 days, increase your credit score, and then you can go back, once you see your credit score go up 40 points, 50 points, 60 points, you can go back and try to get that credit card. But try to get a credit card that can pre-qualify you, because at least they can say yes or no on whether or not they can pre-qualify you. But just because you guys get pre-qualified don't mean that they're going to actually give you that credit card. It's literally